Hello and welcome to another Power Defense instructional video. Power Defense is Eaton's line of molded case circuit breakers that range from 15 amps to 2500 amps across 6 frames. Today we're talking about the Power Defense Frame 4.
This globally rated circuit breaker comes in multiple configurations from 300 up to 800 amps continuous current and offers up to 65 KIC interruption. Features through cover accessories and is compatible with Eaton's state-of-the-art PXR electronic trip units, available with ground fault and arms protection.
Let's take a look at these step-by-step instructions for today's demonstration. Always work safely. Before working on the breaker, press the push to trip button on the breaker face to put the breaker in trip position. The PD4 has 8 screws on the face of the breaker that need to be removed to take off the secondary cover. The outer screws will have a slightly different length than the inner screws. Make sure to note the difference and keep the screws so that the cover can be replaced after the installation. Next, unfasten the 2 screws that hold the upper terminal covers in place and remove. Do the same for the lower terminal covers. Then, remove the primary breaker cover by unfastening the 4 screws shown. To remove the trip unit, start by using a flathead driver to remove the 2 screws from the copper connectors on each phase below the unit. Next, use an Allen key to remove the 3 screws above the trip unit as shown. The trip unit should then be loose and can be removed, but the breaker handle will get in the way. Lift up gently on the breaker handle to give the trip unit enough clearance to be removed freely. Once the trip unit is removed, a replacement trip unit can be installed using the same steps in reverse. Lift the breaker handle slightly to slide the new trip unit into place. Refasten the copper connection screws below the trip unit using a flathead driver, 2 per phase. Use the Allen key to refasten the screws above the trip unit on each phase as shown. Replace the primary breaker cover and fasten with the 4 screws. Then replace the lower and upper terminal covers, fastening in place with 2 screws each. Finally, replace the secondary breaker cover and fasten with the 8 screws. This completes the trip unit removal and replacement.
Thanks again for watching. We hope this instructional video was helpful.
For additional instructional videos, 3D drawings, tech data sheets, catalog information, and more, visit our website at eaton.com/powerdefense.